Welcome to TD Bank Online Banking. Today, we will guide you through the simple steps to set up your online banking account. Before we get started, make sure you have your TD Bank account number, email address, and phone number on hand. First, open your web browser and go to the TD Bank official website. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the Enroll button to get started. Next, you'll need to enter your personal information for verification. This includes your name, account number, and other identifying details. Now, create a username and a secure password for your online banking account. Make sure to choose something memorable but secure. Next, you'll need to set up your security questions. Choose questions that only you would know the answers to. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions. Once you're ready, check the box to accept them and proceed. Congratulations! You've completed the enrollment process. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Now, you can log into your new online banking account using the username and password you just created. Welcome to TD Bank Online Banking.